Once connected to Wi-Fi, launch the Fit3D app. If prompted, please perform all updates on the Fit3D app. You'll require 4 unique values to register your ProScanner: your activation code, the tower base serial number, camera tower serial number, and lastly the turntable serial number. Locate your activation code in the Fit3D onboarding email thread. Using your smartphone, collect photos of the remaining 3 serial numbers located around your ProScanner. On the registration page, enter your activation code and 3 serial numbers into their respective fields. When completed, you'll land on the app's Sign In and Account Creation page. If you have any further questions, please reach out to us by submitting a ticket at support.fit3d.com, and a team member will be with you as quickly as possible. Thank you for being a part of the Fit3D family.